Okay, so I'm teaching a quick tutorial on Python today. So this is how to use dictionaries to correct values and make sure that something is the correct value. So my objective is to it's going to ask a user what your name is, what type of fruit it is, and it wants to know what the weight of the bag is to see if the correct amount of fruit has been put into that bag. So what it does is it defines what fruit should go in which bag. So you start by defining the dictionary. My first one is called fruit bag weights, and this is the total amount of fruit for each bag. Okay, so I'm going to write that here. Amount of fruit for each bag. If I can type today. Anyway, so the banana is 200 grams per bag, and the apple is 250 grams per bag, because I don't know, just decided on random numbers. The fruit's individual weights. So these are the fruit's individual weights. We've got our a banana at 40 because they weigh slightly less than bananas. Our apple is 50, they weigh slightly more. And guess how we decide how many fruit are in a bag. So you do this, you divide these, no, this divided by these. So there is a banana, there should be 200 in a bag, and the bananas weigh 40, there should be 5 in a bag, because 200 divided by 40 is 5. Okay. Then we've got the amount of fruits in the bag. Well, you can find that out anyway. But I have a dictionary for it just in case I need to use it, and I do end up using it. And then the bag values. So this is how much it costs for a bag. This is cost per bag in pounds. In pounds. That's how much is going to be added. Right. So this is how we're actually going to use this. Ask the user for your name. The fruit type. What type of fruit is it asking for? We want a banana. Notice how we've got this actually called. So if they type in banana correctly, if you pass it in here to fruit bag weights, it will give you the value of 200. Then we ask for the bag weight, which is a float, because it could be a decimal point. Make sure you use that as a float. So the amount of fruit in the bag that they give you should be their bag weight divided by what the actual bag weight should be, which is going to be a float for the fruit's bag weight fruit type. So it will be one of these values. So if they put in banana, it will be 200. If they put in apple, 250. No, that's wrong. It should be fruit weights. Don't know why I put bag in there. If fruit weights, the fruit type, because that will give you the amount of fruit in the bag. That's why it's called fruits. So if the amount of fruits in the bag is equal to the bag fruits, which is the amount of fruit that should be in the bag, it will print out that bag is the correct weight. And they've got a good job. Okay, and that's that. Okay, so to continue this, we want to see if they input the incorrect value. So I'm actually going to check that this first part works. Oh, I haven't called the program, which is a big mistake. We're not going to call it down at the bottom because there's more stuff down there to be shown. What is it? Input data. There you go. Call that. Okay, so now this works. What's my name? Who did it? weight is 200. There we go. That should work. Now, what we've got is if the fruits are that we've decided are in the bag are less than or less than to the bag fruits, well, the amount of fruit that should be in the bag, it says you need to remove some fruit. Why is it add fruit? Who knows? You can decide. Just make sure that it works like the right way around. So now if we add, what type of fruit is it? It is a banana, but it only weighs 160. You need to so this one's add and this one's remove. Got it. That's a lot of A's. This one is remove. Add. Yeah, there we go. We'll do that again just to test it what's the other way. 300. 240. This one's actually, what type of fruit is it? It's a banana. It weighs 240. There we go. You need to remove one fruit. And that's it. That's all there is to checking what's right and what's wrong. That and that. Like always, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any issues with any of the stuff, please leave a comment down below or just ask me. I'll be sure to try and answer you and solve your problems if you've got any issues with them. Thanks for watching.